Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Hello, my lovely English learners. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaks, your place to listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. I'm truly happy you're here with me today. Today's episode is special. We're doing your shadowing English speaking practice, a simple, powerful way to speak out loud, build confidence, and improve your English step by step. Before we begin, let me ask you something. How are you feeling today? Did something make you smile? Did you learn something new in the last episode? If yes, I'm so proud of you. If not, it's okay, because you showed up today, and that's what matters most. Now, let me be honest with you. Just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak English fluently, you must speak. But I know sometimes it feels scary. Sometimes you don't know what to say. Sometimes your mind goes blank, and that is exactly why we do shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to me and then you repeat after me. You copy my tone, my rhythm, the music of my sentences. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to use your voice and train your mouth to feel comfortable with English sounds. Even if you speak slowly, that's okay. Even if you make mistakes, that's wonderful. Because mistakes mean you are learning. Remember this. It's not about how much you study. It's about how often you practice. Just 5 minutes a day is more powerful than 1 hour once a week. So if you are here with me, listening, learning, and ready to speak, you are already winning. Today we'll do 30 simple shadowing sentences. I'll say each one clearly and slowly. Then there will be a pause. And that is your time to repeat after me. Follow the subtitles on your screen. Watch the highlighted words. And speak out loud. Yes, loud. Not in your head. Not in a whisper. Use your real voice. Are you ready? Let's warm up your English muscles and begin your shadowing challenge. Welcome again to Mr. English Speaks, and I'm Sarah, your English speaking guide. I love teaching English, and I'm excited to practice with you today. Before we start our first sentence, you might be wondering, why shadowing and does accent matter? Great question. Shadowing trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain all at the same time. You don't just listen, you copy. Your brain gets used to English patterns. Your tongue learns new sounds. And slowly, you begin to speak naturally, confidently, and fluently. About the accent, don't worry. Whether it's British, American, or anything else, the goal is the same, to help you speak confidently and clearly. Focus on the rhythm, the stress, the flow. That's what makes English sound natural. Now, before we begin, I need one promise from you. A small promise. Promise me you won't give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not during this challenge. Can you promise that? Perfect. I knew you would. This is day 1 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. You can do this. I believe in you. Shadowing practice. 30 sentences. Let's begin. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. Great job. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Wonderful. I understand more every day. I understand more every day. Excellent. I feel proud of my progress, and I feel proud of my progress. Beautiful. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. You're doing amazing. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. Let's continue. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. Good. I try every day. I try every day. Nice. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Brilliant. I trust my journey even if it's slow. I trust my journey even if it's slow. Great job. That's 10 sentences done. Now let's try some slightly longer ones. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow. Excellent. I am not giving up. I am growing. I am not giving up. I am growing. Perfect. My journey is beautiful even if it's slow. My journey is beautiful even if it's slow. Well done. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. Great. I am building my confidence 1 word at a time. I am building my confidence 1 word at a time. Good job. I am getting better with every practice. I am getting better with every practice. Let's keep going. I understand more than I think. I understand more than I think. Excellent. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. Good. I show up even when it's hard. I show up even when it's hard. 1 more. Every mistake teaches me something new. Every mistake teaches me something new. Amazing. You've completed 20 sentences. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's finish strong with the last 10. Every day I become more confident in English. Every day I become more confident in English. Great. Speaking clearly is something I can do. Speaking clearly is something I can do. Nice. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. I am proud of my progress, even if it's small. Beautiful. English is not hard. It's just new. English is not hard. It's just new. Great work. I learn something new every time I try. I learn something new every time I try. Good. I am building strong English habits today. I am building strong English habits today. Let's keep going. My English improves with every word I say. My English improves with every word I say. Excellent. Even small practice makes a big difference. Even small practice makes a big difference. 2 more. I am patient with myself and my progress. I am patient with myself and my progress. Last one. This is just the beginning of my English success. This is just the beginning of my English success. And you did it. You completed all 30 shadowing sentences of day 1. I am truly, truly proud of you. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about showing up, trying, speaking. Even if it's just for a few minutes. You've taken a powerful step today. Come back anytime and practice again. Every time you repeat, you grow more confident. Until tomorrow, keep practicing, keep smiling, and never forget, you can absolutely do this. See you in the next episode of Mr. English Speaks.